Okay, so hey guys, and I have this pink slime that I just did just now, and it's really so. This is one of my favorite right now. Okay, so and also has a super cute strawberry scent because it's like pink. So good. Okay. And I am going to take stick, like chopsticks. I'm using chopsticks, by the way. And then oh my gosh. It's like you're eating mozzarella. But you will obviously see that I don't use my other hands because I'm using that to hold the camera because the camera won't stand. By the way, I'm using my phone to. I did use some of my. I have never used camera to like do videos, so I'm just gonna use my phone. And I want to change hands. Okay, and this is the slime. It's super glossy. And I wanted to make these colors because I wanted these colors like since I'm gonna take my first sorry, I have to put like this because I gotta like remove those slime from the chopsticks. Okay. Okay. So now it's going to be a short video because I don't know how to show. Sorry for the background noises. Okay, so we're just gonna use one stick instead of two sticks this time. See? It's like delicious. By the way, this is homemade. And yeah, so yeah. So this is the slime. And yeah guys, I thought that this was a short video, so I hope you guys enjoy watching this. Subscribe to me, and I'm only gonna like post to YouTube about squishies and slime and about me and about what I did like that. So yeah, bye guys. Thumbnail. This is my thumbnail. Ew. It's really sticky to the chopstick. If you like do a circle and put like chopstick on the side, and it will look more cheese. So thanks for watching, guys. Bye. And I'll do a recipe video for this because now I'm out of glue and it's gonna be later. So bye, guys. See you guys next time. Bye.